Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion for customer support tracking in 2025 so you can keep client requests organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start by setting up or duplicating a support ticket template in Notion. Use a table or board view with fields like client name, issue, priority status, and assign team members. This become your central hub for all support requests. Next, create tags for categories such as technical billing or general questions. This makes it easy to filter issues, assign them to the right person. To speed things up, integrate forms with Notion using tools like Zapier or Make. For example, when a client submits a support form, it automatically creates a new entry in your support database, no more manual logging in. You can also track response times and resolutions by adding date columns and simple formulas. Over time, this gives you insight into how fast your team handles support and where improvements are needed. Finally, connect this database with related resources like FAQs, guidelines, or knowledge bases so your team always has solution at hand. With Notion, your support tracker, you will stay organized, improve response times, and deliver better customers experience. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.